Okay, that's nice. We have a look on Are you ready?
Okay. Let's do it. Where's my spec?
Yeah.
Where is the thing? Okay. Good to go. Oh, someone inside?
It's me.
Oh, it's you?
So now there's a little bit interruption, so I change. Okay. Hello everyone. It's nice to see you today. It's
Hi everyone.
Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. Nice to see you all again. 23rd of July. I hope you guys are doing well. Of course, the market is not very sound as what we expected it to be, but hope everyone is making some money off it as well. Yeah.
But I see the market is bouncing back to 32,500.
Yeah, so it's kind of like toggling between 30, 32 kind of price for Bitcoin.
And then we found the good news, some of the good news about the JP Morgan. It said
JP Morgan. So what about them? Let us know about this.
The JP Morgan give the wealth management for the clients, and they can buy the crypto, buy the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other crypto through their platform. Yeah, and they say they will deal with the large scale investment and the other fund to let their client can access the crypto, access some of the JP Morgan CEO. He also can share to the world that the crypto Bitcoin can be the hedge fund to manage the inflation nowadays. That is a good news, and that's the reason why some of the factors that make the price of crypto go up a little bit. Yeah. Also together with some.
As you're saying, this JP Morgan, like this article say, gives wealth management to clients to access Bitcoin and Ethereum funds. So actually, when you are saying this, it kind of dawned on me some thoughts there that a conventional asset management, they deal with fiat, they collect the money from the clients, and then they do the investment and all this. So it seems like there's a trend going on from, I think JP Morgan started quite some time ago.
Yeah, that's right.
Or there's some other banks, the private bank that started quite a little earlier. So you see that there is a trend going on that all these private banks, they are doing things like this. They are doing investment dealing with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. Yeah, so it brings the positive overview of how cryptocurrency can impact or influence the financial market. Yeah, so because financial market all this while has been all about fiat, US dollar, Japanese yen, all these kind of things, and then they have a bucket of investment here and there. But now it's no longer just fiat. There is also the element of cryptocurrency, which is growing and getting stronger. So with this kind of things in mind, I think we can safely expect that the future, a large part of the future would have a bigger slice of the cake for cryptocurrency in terms of private investment, in terms of investment funds, in terms of various diverse investment portfolio for general investors, for public investors. Yeah, so I think this is very interesting and very positive news when you're talking about cryptocurrency, and I believe that this is just a start. It's going to JP Morgan is probably not going to be the first one, or rather not going to be the only one that's going to do these kind of things. So there will be a lot of other private banks, investment banks that would probably begin offering various kind of investment products for the investors. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's right. And I also can have a look on the other article. Is also the positive news. Not only JP Morgan, but also we can see some of the influencer like I will share to you now. Let's have a look.
These are nice things and very positive things.
Yeah, that's right.
In a market situation like this today.
Yeah. We can hear the inspired by the Buddha wisdom to buy the Bitcoin. That some of the other this rapper has also have been inspired because moving to the big world streaming is from yesterday. We hear that rapper Busta Rhythm say he officially holding Bitcoin and look into Ethereum. Yeah, this are some of the good news. Some the new people because the price of crypto is dropping below 30,000 a few days ago, right?
Yeah.
And then people they of course with the they say with the support level around 30 level, and that's a good time to buy. And some of the people they may push up the price a little bit. Yeah, and it's time, but we don't feel very excited because the price could have a little correction, because when I have a look in some of the charts here, in some of the charts here, this is a chart of the Bitcoin 4 hour, and we see the chart. And if I use some of the other article like NA Gross, like NA Gross. Okay. We can feel it's not so much 15 to 30. Yeah, we can see the MA cross is make the MA cross already with the 4 hour, and there's a cross, the price should go up a little bit here. Yeah, and with the one day chart, we can see the price still go in the sideways. With the one day chart, the price is still in the sideways. So in the long term, the price could increase, but in the short term, still wonder. It's made around 32 to 34, somewhere like here. Just because if I see within 4 hours, 1 hour, the price is increasing. Yeah, it's increasing. Yeah, it look like this. But it may hit around 33,000 and it can have a little correction here. Maybe because we see around 32,800, there's a large amount of the sell, large amount of sell here. Yeah, but now it's recover from 32,200. That's why the high the high the high resistance level is around 33,000. So if like that, we can have a look on the Fibonacci tension. If I see the Fibonacci tension, it's a little bit so hard to see now, but the price is on the way to hit the 33,000. Yeah. If it can hit the above 33,000 level, so the price can increase more. Yeah. This 1 hour with 4 hour is also like this. With 4 hour, the price above 32,000. So it's on the way to find a new resistance level. So if like that, I can change. So by the way, with some of the positive news, we also can have a look into the chart and we feel that how's the crypto moving. Yeah, and I can find some of the nice news about the global join the list of the US Bitcoin ETFs have full. Yeah, one more big company in US, they also apply for the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, and this is some of the news to share the word that the last company, the last group, they are going to choose the crypto journey, and there are some of the news that can make the people feel worried. There's some of the other token, the other news like Definity, the token is ICP, and some of Bolly Chains. The Bolly Chain is the token is Matic. They also in the lawsuit. In the suit, is maybe the price have a little bit correction here. Here's the ICP price. In the beginning, the price around $60 and now it's around $30. Beginning of July, the price rose so high. That is some of the article, the news. We can see the Goldman Sachs also have the statement to say that 18% of the world's super rich see crypto as an inflation hedge.
That's good enough.
Yeah. Because based on the survey, over 150 family office and found that almost 50 are crypto curious. Yeah, they do the survey from Goldman Sachs, over 150 family, and they ask, and they are the crypto curious. fifth of them. That is a nice news about crypto. Yeah, and we can have a look here. Is Alibaba regulator suggests block-free Bitcoin accounts are unregistered security. Yeah, it's one of the states in US. They make the regulation into the block-free, and this is the news about the stellar fallacy. They are thinking about take over the MoneyGram. If you do the to transfer wire, or you use the money, send the money to overseas, you may think about the last 10 years. We think about the MoneyGram, Western Union, and now maybe it's out of date based on because of crypto is very popular. People they think about the crypto. Yeah, we can have a look up about the Ethereum transition 2.0. Yeah. Because EIP 367 put the network one step closer to Ethereum 2.0. That doesn't mean it's coming right away, but the EIP 367 proposal is officially transition Ethereum to proof of stake. Yeah, this is one of the nice news that make the price of Ethereum go higher.
Oh, yeah. Maybe perhaps you can let us know what this EIP 3675 actually is, and how it can, from technical perspective, how it can affect or improve the Ethereum price in the future.
Yeah, it's EIP 367.
Yeah. Also, some of the user might want to know, is this because what's the difference between proof of work and proof of stake in a very simple term?
Yeah, with the network currently use a proof of work. It means people can
Mining, right?
Yeah, they can use a miner to mine to get the coin. This we say proof of work. With the proof of stake, who own the large amount of coin can confirm the transaction, and then they can earn more. It look like if you have the large amount of the coin, your coin will increasing day by day. Yeah, that is short definition between the proof of work and proof of stake. And on the way to ETH 2.0, Ethereum they want to switch the network to the proof of stake, because based on so many issues about the miner costs a lot of energy. So they think about switch to the proof of work, proof of stake. And EIP 3675 is look like the protocol, and now it's official. This one of the proposal official for Ethereum proof of stake, but of course it's not immediately applied to the network. Yeah, and it's still, they say the function proof of stake network is still months away. That's is based on Vitalik Buterin. He also said to us based on the Ethereum submit. He says maybe next year the network will officially turn to a proof of stake. Yeah. So let's have a look to see how. And currently when the Ethereum switch to the proof of stake, a lot of miners they can get the profits. What profits they can get? Let's have a look, because I found the article because some of the miners say that how Ethereum miner could exploit the network and how to fix it, because Ethereum 2.0 could snuff out of the intentional blockchain one for MEV. MEV is look like the wallet, right? And MEV refer to the way which Ethereum miner order use transaction to maximize their income. It's like some of the miner they got the reward with 2 ETH at the F1 as the transaction fee. Yeah, it's get when they do mining, they do of unacknowledged hero of the Ethereum blockchain. The process user transaction add block to the chain and help to keep the whole enterprise running by competing to the sole cryptographic puzzle. And he got 2 ETH. It's around and that's just one maybe is one of the way the miner they can earn to 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 get the profits at this moment. Yeah. In this article just says some probably some little bit about how to explore the network Ethereum right now. So with some of the news like that, we also can have a look on this thing. With the miner, they use the drive. They use SSD drives. This drive is a ultra high endurance LX2030. It's especially designed for.
It's computer drive, right?
Yeah, this is SSD drive. Yeah, and they say that
farming.
it is designed for the farming to do mining, because if you jump into the crypto mining, you need to think about how to upgrade your 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 hard disk, your SSD, and this look like advertisement, right?
Wow,
they,
this look interesting.
yeah, they use this farmer of the proof of space and time cryptocurrency, and they use this SSD to SSD for mining. Yeah, this one of the technology.
Yeah.
Right?
Well,
Yeah,
I guess somebody is going to make a lot of money.
yeah, yeah,
Because you're talking about the expansion or the increase in cryptocurrency population, or rather the popularity. So as more people getting into cryptocurrency, there will definitely be, in the miner side, there will definitely be some increase in mining as well. So
yeah.
I think all this selling all this hardware they got to do with mining or to enhance mining. I think that's a good money.
Yeah, that's right. Some of my friend he also thinking about do mining, because during as a miner, he's he's just thinking about how to set up the rig, how to set up the mine farming, wait for the good time to sell the crypto. Yeah, because
Yeah,
if they do trading, sometimes a little bit struck, because he must buy low, sell high, and with the
yeah,
miner he have their own hardware, and he need to keep it running. It depends on the energy.
yeah,
If he uses solar or some the other green energy is cheap and energy, he can survive during the storm of crypto. If the price
yeah,
crashing, he can keep it.
yeah.
Yeah,
And,
that's
and, and another thing is the power consumption, right?
yeah,
So,
that's
and the heat emission. So if there is new drives for mining for the
yeah,
miners, that is smaller, that is faster, that generate less heat and consume less electricity. I think this will be a big thing. Technically it is going to allow a lot of other people meaning those who have not mined before, they'll probably find interest in getting all these uh, mining drives, so to speak, and then they can just use any computer to mine quicker and
Yeah, that's right.
using lesser energy, right?
You can see in my screen is about the garden by the bay. Yeah.
Gardens by the Bay.
Yeah.
So Singapore offers crypto safe haven in turbulent times.
Yeah. She will offer crypto a safe haven in turbulent times. Yeah.
So once there are businesses beginning to accept crypto as payments, it become even a bigger thing. I believe. Yeah.
And I can see the article is say that crypto company have been attracted by forward-looking policy, yes, to issue any license. Yeah, of course, this new maybe for a long time ago, and it's Gemini, Jeremy image. The Gemini is one of the largest exchanges in US, and now
Really? In
yeah,
US?
yeah, the Gemini is one of the largest
So
exchanges.
they have an office in Singapore or something?
Maybe US exchange. The Gemini has been founded by
Founded by the
twins.
twins.
Yeah, twins. Winklevoss, yeah, and seeking license in Singapore because they already have license in New York, UK, because it's, I think, in Singapore is attract Asia is easy for them, and Singapore has a crypto incubator. Do you remember this word?
Yeah.
In
We
some,
saw this somewhere, right?
yeah,
Where did we see this guy?
I see in the Marina Square.
Yeah,
That's
Marina Bay Sands, right?
yeah,
We were there for some coffee and lunch.
yeah. That's a global lesser waiter, and a lot now that if we go outside, oh, make up is mine. We can see MAS. Yeah, make up is mine because there are 300 applying for the issue license to cryptocurrency to MAS. And what is MAS reply? Oh, we also can hear the CZ here. Can see the CZ, and he
Actually,
also
when I look at this information here, saying that MAS or rather Singapore, they are not giving out license yet. Despite that there are like 300 applicants or something like that.
Yeah, that's right.
I think that's a that is, for a lot of people, they may be thinking, oh yeah, MAS is playing so safe, they are so slow, they are so this, so that. But I think it's necessary because with new technology and new thing coming up, there will always be people. I'm not saying that these people are, but there will always be people who are trying to use this cryptocurrency to do some laundering and fraud and things like that. I think MAS, Monetary Authority of Singapore. Basically the central bank of Singapore, right? Yeah, so it's just like the Federal Reserve or Federal Bank or whatever. Anyway, MAS has always been pro-regulation. They are always checking up on things, and they're probably always not the first one to give license to a lot of things. Yeah, so by that playing safe, I think it is a safeguard for the public who may be cheated of money out of the blue. Yeah, so I think this is it's slow but good move. Hopefully there are companies that are good enough, strong enough, or rather uh, 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 just good enough to be able to get this license from
Yeah, that's right.
MAS. Yeah, because
I think it's going to be on the list because sometimes I wander around the MRT and I also can see some of the application like the trading application. They also
yeah,
announce that they have been approved by MAS. Some of the that
yeah.
I forgot that some of the trading application they don't say anything about the crypto, but they just say trading to buy and sell stock and some of the other
Yeah.
um, traditional market. And then they also say they proud that they have been approved, get a license from MAS. And in
Oh
this
yeah,
application,
yeah.
yeah, you may
So, yeah,
remember sometimes
yeah,
you can see yeah,
there are even more far-fetched things like, this particular politician is involved in our project. Like what?
yeah,
So these are legit scammers. You know, they come out to the public and then they use some big names or they use some big organization or they use MAS as an excuse to say that, oh, we are regulated, we are approved, we are that, or this particular maybe the prime minister. I think our prime minister's name was used some time ago. This particular minister or whoever is now has approved this whatsoever. A lot of these things, because when you live in a place long enough, you know that some people just don't check. They assume everything is safe.
yeah.
Yeah, assume every information they receive, oh, this must be real, but they don't check because what because first of all, Singapore in general is pretty safe to do business, pretty safe to do a lot of things, but because of all this safeness, so to speak, it is being abused by a lot of scammers to say, oh, that is why a lot of people get scammed off their savings when there's phone scammer saying, oh, we are from DBS Bank, we are from this particular bank or that particular bank. You need to click this link in order to in order to do whatever. You know.
Yeah,
The thing is, bank needs your money, but banks would not jeopardize their reputation in order to get your money. That's for sure. Whereas these scammers are using styles and ways to say that, oh, if you do not pay this amount, your account will be blocked, that kind of things. So,
okay.
so the same sentiments when it comes to crypto. Of course, Singapore offering crypto as a crypto haven,
Yeah,
crypto
that's
safe
right.
haven. So,
Yeah,
uh, let us be careful.
yeah,
Let
yeah, yeah,
everyone be careful. I mean, we
yeah,
read this article is for our information, and then we do our own due diligence. You do your own
yeah,
due diligence as well.
yeah,
When you want to invest in any companies, crypto companies that claims to have some license or approval, something like that.
yeah,
Yeah, sometimes they play with words, no? That, oh, we have gained approval from registrar ACRA or whatever.
yeah,
Approval from ACRA doesn't mean there's a license from MAS for you to
yeah,
input both. So we just need to be more careful and vigilant when it comes to dealing with all these new and unsure things, uncertainties.
yeah.
Yeah.
Besides Singapore, we can see some of the long read about 10 public company with the biggest Bitcoin portfolio. Yeah, you can guess what company. Yeah,
Let's look at them. Should be interesting
yeah.
because
First
since they
is
are public companies,
Nicholas
so they are
Nicholas strategy.
definitely, yeah, MicroStrategy. We've been looking at this name for some time.
Yeah, that's right.
Very
Second,
often.
Tesla.
Tesla, yeah.
Yeah. And the next one is Galaxy Digital Holding.
Who runs Galaxy? This Michael Novogratz? I don't know how to
Michael
pronounce that.
Novogratz, that's right. Michael Novogratz. The company backed with crypto firm BlockFi, Block One and BlockFi. And one is Voyant Digital Ltd. They holding 12,000 BTC according to.
Oh, that's a lot of BTC.
Yeah. And the next one is Marathon Digital Holding.
I saw a name called Square Inc. Did you pass by that or something?
Yeah.
Then there is Marathon Digital Holdings.
In North America, this is one of the largest Bitcoin mining operations in North America.
Yeah. 5784 BTC sounds so little in comparison to the previous one just now. They have 12,000.
Yeah, but they are just a mining company. Next one is a Coinbase.
Yeah.
Bitcoin Group SE, Germany-based venture capital firm. Bitcoin Group SE holds around 4,000. And the next one is Hut 8 Mining Corp, Canadian crypto mining. Hut 8 holds 3,500 BTC. Riot Blockchains, another crypto mining outfit, US-based Riot Blockchain, is holding only 2,243. Yeah, that's the last in the list 10 company. Yeah, because they are holding the large amount of the coin and they have the name. They let the MicroStrategy hold 105,000 BTC in reserve. He will buy 1,000 Bitcoin every second.
Wow.
As well, he says he was buying 1,000 in Bitcoin every second. Yeah,
$1,000 worth of Bitcoin every second.
Yeah. Personally hold. Oh, he personally hold 17,000.
Oh, personally holds so many.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. And you can remember this is a rich list in the Bitcoin. You can find some of his address, and we can see his Bitcoin address inside. Yeah. Tesla. Okay, that is the wrap of the 10 public company, and I think we back to the price of crypto nowadays, and we wrap up and we complete the live stream. This Friday morning on the Techtalk channel and on the Cbit social network, and the currently price is 32,300. A little bit. It's dropped from the 32,800 files.
Yeah.
At 4 a.m. At 4 a.m. this morning, and now it's 33,000. If I have a look on some of the charts, let me change to the dark mode. You can have a look easier. Yeah. And now I show people Fibonacci attention, Fibonacci retracement. I think with the Fibonacci is hard for us to catch up the price, and I use the MA cross. Oh, there's MA ribbon, not MA ribbon. It's similar with the MA cross. It is. Let's see. They have a graph is available. We also can have look on the Bollinger Band, Bollinger Band, Bollinger Band. I turn. Okay, Bollinger Band is now with the flowers we can see the band is open the rise and the middle line is go up follow up with one of the lines and it show to us about the price increasing. Yeah, but remember the resistance level I said to you in the beginning of the live stream is around 33,000. Yeah, and one day. Let me see the one day. Why Bollinger Band one day is cannot see much. Sometimes we should see the Bollinger Band with the 1 hour or 15 minutes to 30 minutes to see the price reaction. Yeah, that is the thing I just know recently about the Bollinger Band, and also we can have look on 1 minute to see the price move within 1 minute. Yeah, and I think it's time for to complete the live stream this early morning, and it's time for to say goodbye to everyone on our YouTube Techtalk channel and on the Cebit social network. Yeah, have a nice weekend too.
Yeah, have a nice weekend, everyone. So hope you guys trade safely, stay safe during this COVID. I think a lot of countries they have increase in the there's increase of COVID cases just like Singapore has. So just stay safe, right? So this is the BTC price about 20 minutes ago. So the green arrow at the end means right now it has gone up a little bit. Yeah. So as of now, yeah. So which is a good thing. You know. Yeah. Hopefully the prices will continue to move in favor to any of you, every one of you. Yeah. So today is Friday, right?